everyone, it is that time again. Time for the March Glitterchimp mystery box. It is $55 every other month. If you want, I believe it is, let's see. I get the details here. You get 8 jars. If you do the double subscription, it's $110 every other month, and you get all 16 jars plus 1 bonus. Then every other month there is a Mica subscription where you get, can't remember how much Mica you get. It is, I'm not sure how many you get in there, but it's $29.95 for the Mica subscription, and I like that one too. I did not get that last month, just trying to save a little bit of money, but I am hopefully going to get it next month, and I will do an unboxing for you guys. Alright, so let's get cracking here. Sneak peek. The super shinies. Alright, so first up we have Margarita. That's super shiny. It's a mixology. Alright, it is gorgeous. I hope you guys can see the shine. I will try to do some zoom in shots to help out a little bit. I'm trying to get a little bit better about my videos and doing a little bit more editing and things like that. Alright, so Margarita. Then we have Manteca. Rainbow Coarse Glitter. Beautiful, beautiful yellow, kind of orangish yellow. Terrific Rainbow Ultra Fine Glitter. Obviously this one is purple. It is very much like the color of tarot. If you've ever been to a luau, you've seen that purple paste. Gorgeous though, because rainbows have just such a beautiful shine to them. Ooh, Tequila Sunrise. That's gorgeous. It's like a tealish color. That is beautiful. I think that's one of those that you open and you just, your eyes go bling. The shine on that is ridiculous. Gonna have to use that pretty much immediately. Alright, Lavender Lemonade. That's real pretty also. Obviously purple because it's lavender. This one is another Rainbow Coarse glitter. It's not real coarse though. It's coarse, but it's not a real thick glitter. So that's nice. Alright, let's see. Back row. Jelly Bean. Perfect for Easter. Real pretty. I thought about showing these on black to see what they look like. Maybe it shows up. But you can see how the colors vary depending on what color you put them under, what color you put under them. So at least something to think about when you're doing your tumblers. If you're going to do a black base or a different colored base, it will change the color of the glitter. And sometimes that's a good thing. Sometimes you're like, oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. So just something to pay attention to. Alright, we have Guava. That's real pretty. That's a rainbow also. I'm seeing a theme. Food and rainbow glitters. What do we have here? Oh, Hollow Hollow. So that's another Hawaiian kind of thing, it sounds like. This is a mixology. You can tell it's got a little bit of thicker glitter in it. Or the shine on that, when you turn it sideways, it's got some blue shine. Oops. Let's see. That is gorgeous. Look at that. I hope that shine's picking up. Definitely no lack of shine this month. Lemongrass Rainbow Coarse Glitter. My daughter's doing a couple cups and wanted me to hurry up and do the unboxing so she could use these. She'll be happy I'm finally getting to it. I know I'm a little bit late, but like I said, I will try to be a little more prompt about them moving forward. Still have a couple of videos to edit to put up for you guys. Hopefully those will be out this week. So banana pudding. This one is a rainbow fine glitter. You can tell it goes, it's like powder when it goes in your hand. It's gonna make me hungry. Mochi. And that's an acquired taste. I personally like it. Not everybody does. I like mochi ice cream. And it's a mixology. And it is just as shiny and beautiful as the other mixologies in this box. Hopefully I'm picking up that for you, that reflection. The shimmer shimmer. Himalayan Rainbow Fine Glitter. These colors are super pretty. They remind me definitely of jelly beans or of Easter, kind of spring colors. So much you can do with them though. Peach Gin Fizz. This one is a mixology. Mixologies this time are unbelievable gorgeous, and I do like the mixologies with the larger glitters in them, but these are nice because they're not as chunky, so it'd be easier to put on different cups, especially if you're using like crystalline or something where you don't have that thick epoxy to cover as much and you're having to press down the glitter. These keep you from having to press down quite as much, so it's nice to have that. Thin Mint Rainbow Fine Glitter. I haven't had Girl Scout cookies in a while. Also a fine glitter. Three more to go. Orange Buttercream. Another mixology. It's that same shimmer that's in the other mixologies this month. Just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Amazing. Great job this month. Great job. Then we have Earl Grey. Oh, that's real pretty. It's a Rainbow Fine Glitter. Obviously, Earl Grey color. But the rainbow sparkle on that is amazing. See if you can see it a little better. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, my tower's getting tall. Alright, last but not least, Mandarin Rainbow Coarse Glitter. Also absolutely gorgeous. We'll put these in a dump cup. But really pretty. Okay, I'm really happy with this month's mystery box. Then of course we have our monkey. Got a green one, and then a little thing on their epoxy resin, which if I didn't have such severe allergies I would like to try. I do like to keep some epoxy on hand for those just in case you need it, or certain cups do need it, so I do keep some on hand. So I think next time I buy some I will buy from them and see if it makes maybe a little bit better, but I literally dropped a tiny drop somehow on my ankle the other day, and within a couple hours I looked like I'd been bitten by a black widow or something. It was crazy. So definitely something I have to be very, very cautious with. But anyway, so this is the subscription for this month, and this is the all 17 that you get if you order the double, and I'm really happy with it this month. So thank you guys once again for joining me. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all of the above to help keep the channel going. And as always, everybody stay happy, safe, and healthy out there, and I will talk to you again soon.